In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Gate.io login password step by step. First, open the Gate.io app or website. On the login screen, tap or click Forgot Password under the password box. If you're already logged in and just want to change it, go to Profile Security Settings, Login Password, and choose Change/Reset. Now enter the email address or phone number linked to your Gate.io account and complete the captcha or simple security check. Gate.io will send you a verification code by email or SMS. Open your inbox or messages, copy the code, and paste it back into the reset page before it expires. Next, create your new password. Use a strong mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess, like your name or birthday. Type it once in the new password field and again in confirm password to make sure there are no typos. When everything looks correct, tap confirm or submit. You may be logged out on all devices. Then log back in with your new password and update your password manager if you use one. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.